afternoon mga kasellers. I'm Rufina Janet Apoplanas from Election Committee. Prior to being elected as an Election Committee officer, I had a brief stint at the Ethics Committee where I ensured that our organization remains a safe space for all our members. Along with my fellow officers, we spearheaded webinars and forums among others, with the goal of raising awareness among members regarding their rights and responsibilities with regard to the fair implementation and upholding of the Code of Governance and Ethical Standards. After which, I transitioned to and offered my service at the Election Committee. My first year placed an emphasis on empowering and equipping our cooperative future leaders, some of which include programs such as the Information Drive, RMEV Ambassador, and of course, our Co-op Lab. I am running for a second term as I aim to cultivate the seeds we have previously planted and strengthen our already existing initiatives. By once again becoming an election committee officer, we can ensure that continuity and seamlessness of the projects that we have already started. As a leader, I believe in the importance of engagement and collaboration. As I seek to be re-elected, I carry with me the advocacy of empowering everyone, giving you an equal platform, and extending every possible opportunity within and outside OMS-MPC. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo sa pagtatrabaho para sa OMS-MPC. Again, I'm Rufina Janet Planas. Maraming salamat po and I hope to continue serving you as your Election Committee Officer.